Hi, I'm Yvette St.Amant. Thank you so much for taking one of my courses. I'm so excited to continue your creative journey with you. I have a great new course. It's called Floral Abstracts. If you want to venture into a new form of abstract, you're going to love this course. It's a little bit different than the abstract techniques that I have been showing you. And that's because I'm going to show you how to create beautiful floral abstracts from a fine art perspective. So even though we might be creating textures and visual components that are suggestive of flowers, it's still a form of abstract art. So I want to take this course to the next level and show you how I use my techniques to create gallery-worthy abstract floral paintings. The best part of this course is if you've enjoyed any of my other courses, you already have the supplies to get started in this floral abstract course. If you want to expand your abstract journey with new subject and style, you'll want to come join me in this one-of-a-kind course. I would love for you to join me in the process as I show you my process in creating beautiful one-of-a-kind abstracts. My name is Yvette St.Amant, and I look forward to having you in my floral abstract class.